Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm going to put a new lens on my John Deere 400 for the headlights. When I got this, I had a few missing things, such as the lens here, and of course you can see all the lights are missing. I'm going to get those replaced as well. But today I'm going to put the new lens on I just ordered, and I noticed there's some of the old hardware in there that needs to get out. See, this side's nice and clear, and this side has some of the old hardware in there, so I'm just going to get that pulled out. The new lens has that right there, and that's what's stuck inside. So you can't see down in behind here very well with the camera, but basically in behind is a bolt and a washer screwed into that plastic piece slash metal. A pair of vice clips clamped onto that little grommet thing there, that threaded piece. And I just gotta get down in there. Like I said, it's really kind of hard to see, but the screw is right down there. So I just gotta get down there and try to get that unscrewed, get that out, and then it should go pretty quick to put the new one in. And then you see I still gotta get the new some lights in there and wire it all back up. Yeah, I got a light down there just so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see that screw kind of dead center of the screen, and that's what I gotta get out. So I got that other piece out, and I had that, it was all rusted, and I had to basically drill it out, and I just didn't want to break the plastic, so it worked out really well. I drilled out the middle of the bolt, weakened it enough that I was able to put vice grips on the back side and snap it off with a screwdriver. So that worked out well, so that's out of the way. So now this sits in there properly like it's supposed to, just like that. Let's try to put the screw in without the screwdriver first to get it started. Well, ow! Nope. Let's try that again. Oh, I think I got it. The side is in. Nice. Okay, I just got to put that other side in. All right, I got the lens all in. Nice. Just got to get some lights in there and some bulbs, and that'll be great. Let me just show you the inside of, so you can see where the new screws ended up. So you can see them now that they're nice and new. So there's one right there, center screen, 3 holes for the lights, and there's the other one, center screen right there. So you can see I don't have to pull the lens out to put the lights in either. Just access it right from back here, so I won't have to pull that lens back off. So that'll be great. And then of course get the wire here that's been disconnected because there's no bulbs up there. So yeah, that worked out very well. And if you're interested, this was the John Deere part. I got this on eBay. I'll try to put a link. I'm not sure if I can or not, but there's the information right there if you're trying to replace this on your John Deere 400. So yeah, very happy with that. It's looking good. Next thing we're going to be doing is putting the chains back on the back, but then I bought these chain tensioners I'm going to try out. Anyway, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you swing over to The Art of Doing. Another YouTube channel has different topic than I have, but a lot of great and interesting stuff. His name is Ben, and his channel name is The Art of Doing, and he's really just trying to inspire people to try something new, something you might not have tried before. So swing over there, let him know I sent you,